Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Verify your Windows version and free a moment by closing full-screen apps. Once done, open Settings via Windows +I or right-click the taskbar and choose Settings. This immediate action puts you where the controls live. Make sure to note whether you're on Windows 10 or 11 because labels differ slightly. This matters for the next step. You'll now move directly into taskbar personalization and auto-hide options, so keep settings open and follow along. Next, go into personalization then taskbar. You'll see an auto-hide toggle on Windows 10. On Windows 11, open taskbar behaviors and check automatically hide the taskbar. Do it now, flip the switch and watch the bar disappear when you move the cursor away. Make sure to also set alignment and which icons remain visible so essential items don't vanish. If you use multiple displays, set per display behavior. This prevents surprises when you swipe across screens. To finish, test the behavior. Move the cursor away, wait, then return. If the taskbar won't hide, restart Explorer via Task Manager, select Windows Explorer and click Restart. That often resolves hung UI states. Make sure no app is forcing the taskbar visible, such as notifications or full-screen warnings, and update graphics drivers if animations misbehave. If problems continue, toggle settings off and on, then reboot. This final check ensures a clean hide and predictable return when you need the bar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.